Hey friends! Today we will be reviewing Jack Frost Ski Resort, which is our favorite family resort in the Poconos. It is located in Whitehaven, Pennsylvania, and it's considered smallish to moderate size for the Poconos ski resorts. It has 20 trails, 4 beginner, 6 intermediate, and 8 advanced, serviced by 9 lifts. However, we have visited a few times and I only saw 4 to 5 operational lifts. I'm not sure where the other ones are, but there's a little one servicing the beginner trails. There are 2 servicing the intermediate trails, and the one that services one intermediate trail also goes to the green slopes, and I think there's only one for the advanced slopes. They have 100 skiable acres and also offer 100% snowmaking capabilities, which is crucial when you're trying to ski in the Poconos. What we loved most about Jack Frost was its awesome layout and super versatile terrain. Unlike most ski resorts in the Poconos, where you take the lift up and ski down to the base, Jack Frost flips the script. The lodge is actually at the top of the mountain, so you ski down first and take the chairlift back up. For the first-time skiers, there's a great learning area with a very gentle bunny hill and a magic carpet, and they do offer classes for kids. On the far left side of the resort, there is a nice mix of green slopes, all serviced by their own lift. It's a super comfy quad with cushioned seats. These beginner-friendly runs are shorter since they end mid-mountain, which is perfect for kids and newbies. But if you keep going past the lift, they get a little bit more exciting and they shift to intermediate or the blue slopes. The middle section of the mountain is all blue slopes serviced by 2 lifts, including a simple 2-person chair that shares the area with the left green slopes, and also another 4-person chairlift with nice cushioned seats. These rounds are a bit more challenging than the greens, however, I like them a lot because of their natural rhythm. They have steep sections followed by flatter areas, and so if you pick up too much speed, the flatter sections naturally slow you down before the next shorter, steeper drop. This layout was a game changer for our younger kids, and it made it easier for them to learn and to control their turns. Right between the blue and black slopes is the terrain park, which we didn't try, but it was definitely popular. The right side of the mountain is where you'll find the black, more advanced slopes, and that's where our older kids spend most of their time. They absolutely love that part of the mountain. The rounds are definitely steeper than the blues, but even our intermediate level skiers handle them without much trouble. Another big reason we like Jack Frost is that it's never too crowded. Now, it does get busy on Saturdays, which is usually when we go skiing, but it is very manageable, especially compared to some of the more popular Poconos resorts, such as the Blue Mountain, which was honestly a zoo. Jack Frost, on the other hand, had reasonable lines, wide, open runs, and a much more laid-back, family-friendly atmosphere. Now, let's talk about the cost. The lift tickets at Jack Frost are moderately priced for the Poconos area, with the weekend adult lift tickets costing you about $105 and for children about $94. The tickets are about $25 cheaper if you go during the week. Jack Frost Ski Resort is a sister property of Big Boulder, which means that the lift ticket purchased at Jack Frost during the day are also valid at Big Boulder, which is open for night skiing until 8 p.m., whereas Jack Frost closes at 4 p.m. Additionally, Jack Frost Big Boulders are the only Poconos resorts that are member of the Vail Resorts, and therefore they are available to the Epic Pass holders. The lodge at Jack Frost Ski Resort is pretty comfortable and has plenty of tables and chairs, though it does get a bit packed around lunchtime. One thing we really liked was the large cubbies available for storing bags and gear, which was completely free of charge, and it was available as a nice bonus. As for food, the main dining area serves your typical ski lodge fare. chicken nuggets, burgers, fries, salad, soups, snacks, drinks. But what's great about Jack Frost is that there's also another restaurant area in the same building on the same level with extra tables which give people more space to sit even though the restaurant itself wasn't open. If you're looking for a more elevated dining experience, there's a second floor sit-down restaurant with gorgeous views and a cozy looking bar. We did not try it because we did not have time to sit down and eat at a sit-down restaurant, but it did look nice. Another thing we really appreciated about Jack Frost is that they have a water dispenser, and so if you bring your own refillable water bottle, you're able to get unlimited amount of water, and that way you can save more money on the water bottles that you would otherwise have to buy at the restaurant. So Jack Frost Ski Resort is our family's favorite Poconos resort because of its family-friendly, relaxed atmosphere. It's not too crowded for Poconos Resort. It's a little bit further out than the other resorts, which is why I think it's not as crowded. But the most important thing is that it offers terrain for beginner skiers, intermediate, and even advanced in a relatively smallish and manageable area, but still gives you a sense of adventure. Thanks for watching, and if you have your favorite family-friendly Poconos resort, I would love to hear about it in the comments below.